Hi everyone, in this video I will show you Facebook how to make account private. To make your account private, you can adjust several privacy settings to control who can see your post, friends list, and personal information. So first, you just have to launch your Facebook application, tap this gear icon, go to settings and privacy, and scroll down till you see this audience and visibility. Let's start with this one. Click this how people find and contact you. And then here you can simply adjust everything like who can see your friends list. If you just want that only you can see it or just your friends or friends of friends, tap this arrow facing down and then click friends of friends. And if you don't want anyone to see your friends list, but just you or your friends, you can tap this arrow facing down and then tap only me, specific friends, friends of friends, or just friends. You can also scroll down here like who can Facebook suggest your name or profile. You can set this to no one. Okay, and then this one is no one. Do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile? You can toggle this one off. How can you get message requests? You can set this to, you can tap this and then set this to don't receive message requests, but you need to update your settings. Also, for others on Messenger or Facebook, you can set this and then set this to no one. Now, after you have adjust settings on how people find contact you, you can go to followers and public content. And then here you can set this, who can follow me, you can set this to friends. Scroll down here, who can see your followers on your timeline, set this to only me. Same goes with who can see the people, pages, and list you follow, set this to only me. Who can comment on your public post, you can set this to friends. And then for other things here, you can set this to only me or set this to friends. Actually, that's it. You just have to set this to only me or friends so that it will make your profile more private. Okay, and then lastly, let's go to post. Okay, so who can see your future posts? You can set this to only me and then tap this limit past post. Tap limit past post button. And that's it. You just have to simply select only me or friends to make your account more private. And basically, that's how to make your account private here on Facebook. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.